up? So welcome to my channel first, and I'm super duper happy today because मेरो आज एउटा bucket list चाहिँ ticked off भएको छ because right now I'm in front of Bastei bridge. म मेरो साथीसँग चाहिँ आज Bastei bridge visit गरिरहेको छु र right now I'm in front of the Bastei bridge which is over there. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to reach Bastei bridge because I'm traveling from Berlin to see the Bastei bridge. So I'm taking train from Berlin to Dresden first, which will probably take me 3 hours.
And after 3 hours of journey from Berlin, we finally arrived at Dresden, and this is the place where the actual journey to Bastei bridge starts. And from here we have to take a ship to cross this Elbe River, and here you can check the price list. There is no specified time schedule for the ship. We just have to stand in the station and the ship will come to us, and here we go. It will take us 10 minutes. Till then, enjoy this beautiful view. We need to take off on this small town from the ship, and from here actual walking gets started. And here we can find good hotels as well where we can stay overnight if we want, but unfortunately due to this COVID-19 everything is closed now. And we started to walk towards our destination. Well, in this village people are very nice, friendly and welcoming. And the beautiful house structures and the sunlights added more beauty to our experience. And after walking for 20 minutes or maybe 15 minutes, we found this board which will drive us to the bridge in the next 30 minutes, it says, but it is the standard measured time, and I think once we started enjoy our walk, definitely it takes more than 30 minutes. We are followers, so we followed the instruction which was given there on the board, and the path is completely uphill and consists of the forest with beautiful views in its bones. And I swear guys, we were so excited to see this breathtaking view from the top, and from here we can see the beautiful Elbe River. And I think this is not a perfect season to have a great view in this place, so I suggest you guys to visit this place in autumn season. Because I think in autumn season this place and this view looks much better than today. So guys, finally here we go. We are on the bridge now and excitement level overloaded. So this bridge is called Bastei Bridge, and this bridge is 194 meters above the Elbe River and made of rocks, and it is believed that these rocks were formed over 1 million years ago. So guys, previously it had a wooden bridge and was built for bridge the gap between the rocks, and it was replaced by a sandstone bridge due to an increase in the number of visitors, I heard. So here we can see the beautiful view of the bridge. So guys, we came down to the same path as we went up, and since we have to wait for a train for almost 45 minutes, we decided to explore this beautiful and peaceful area.
कस्तो क्युट बनाएको है एरिया त्यो बाबेको
You guys enjoyed it a lot and keep watching my videos, and if you like my videos, please support me by subscribing my channel and sharing it as well. So I promise you guys you will never feel bored with my videos, and if you have any suggestion for me, please comment below. I will try to address them in my upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, take care, and see you guys in my next vlog, of course. Bye.